Hello. It's John the Don, and I'm bringing you another sneaker unboxing. You feel me? The box already speaks for itself, so you already know what it is. It's a Nike SB Dunk. Now, which one is it? Ha! If you didn't read the title, that's what I'm here for. Oof. What do we have here, ladies and gents? Super clean shoe. I've never seen it in person before. These are the Nike SB Highs Pawnshops. I personally think they're very clean. Shoe is going around retail right now. Surprisingly, these are a Nike SB Dunk, and they do come with the round laces, as you can see. I don't mean to be a hype beast or a bandwagon or whatever you want to call it. I've been a Dunk fan for a long time, probably since like 2008. So I used to have a couple of those Dunks. I just got rid of them over the years. Let somebody else enjoy them. Move on to newer stuff. But yeah, man, what do y'all think? Copper drop on these. Like I said before, these are Nike SB High Dunks Pawnshop. Say it right there. Quality on these boys, to be honest, they feel kind of stiff, man. Like the leather doesn't feel as soft, you know. Probably all that extra cushioning inside for whenever you're gonna kick, whenever you're gonna skate or whatnot. Got that nice deck right there. But yeah, I don't even know if these bring extra laces. Oh yeah, they do, which is fire. Oh, they bring 2 extra laces. Oh shit. Okay. As you can see, shoe comes with black laces. Then they come with additional Timberland style boot lace. And they come with that goldish bronze coloring lace, also rounded. Super fire. Like I said, I picked these up around retail. You'll probably pay, depending on the size, a little bit above retail. Just a little bit, probably like anywhere from $10 to $30 more. But for a Nike SB Dunk of this, you know, it's not bad quality. It's nice and it's pretty simple with little gold assets. Man, I think that's super clean, bro. Definitely a cop from me. If you haven't done so, guys, please subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of content, a lot of things to show y'all, you know, from a collector's point. All right, thanks for tuning in. Cheers.